Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create Bybit account and then verify it step by step. So the very first step that you need to do is go to the Bybit's official website. So just open your browser and then go to the HTTPS. So I'm just going to show it to you on the screen so you can also visit it. And then you just have to click on sign up. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen. So you just have to click on that. And then step 2 is to sign up for an account. So you have two options. Option number 1 is by email registration. So by doing this, you have to enter your email address and then create a strong password. You can also enter a referral code if you have one, but this one is just optional. So you can have the registration without the referral code. But if ever you have one, then you can also enter it. And then after that, you just have to click on create account. Now for option number 2 is you can register by using your mobile registration. So you just have to select your country code, enter your mobile number, and then set a password, a strong one. And then after that, you just have to click on create account. So after that, you just have to verify your email or phone number by entering the 6-digit code sent to you, just like this one right here. So you just have to wait for the code to be sent to you, and then you just have to enter it in here. Now for step number 3 is to select country of residence. So you can choose your country or region and then confirm that it matches your ID documents for smooth verification. Now for step number 4 is to complete the identity verification or the KYC. So to unlock all features like deposit, trading, and withdrawals, you have to complete the KYC or what we call the complete identity verification. So first is to log into your account, of course, and then hover over to your profile icon, then select account and security. But usually, the verification will pop up after you have done the registration. But if ever you have your account for a very long time and you want to verify it, then this is how you can do it. So just go to the profile icon, select account and security, and then click the verify now under the identity verification. So the KYC level 1 is the basic. So you can upload a government issued ID like passport, driver's license, or even national ID. You can also use those. And then upload a selfie, or you can also perform a liveness check using your webcam or phone camera. So the processing time, of course, it has usually completed in a few minutes to a few hours. Now, once verified, you will receive a confirmation email and a green check mark in your account settings. So that means that you are now verified since you have uploaded a government issued ID and also you did a liveness check. Now for step number 5, this is optional, but you can also set up a 2FA. So this is verified authentication, 2-factor authentication rather. So this is just for added security. So you can go to the account and security and then enable the Google Authenticator or SMS 2FA. And once you're done with that, you are done and you have a fully verified Bybit account and can start trading, depositing crypto, and accessing all platform features. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!